Hello guys, nice to meet you. We're doing a part 3 of Roblox again. And oh my god, this is laggy as fuck. Bro, why is there a black screen? Thank God bro Kevin has this update. This is a W update cause all my props just get deleted every single day. Bro. And this is my mother or aka cousin ko. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord, opo. Ingayan ko, ingayan ko. My name is gonna be Lou. The same.
Kita na family lang. Si Eliabelli, 1380.
Lou ako. Thank God. And I wish this is my apple for these are avatars. Oh my god, bro. Hey guys, guys. I'm gonna change this up first. Let's try it. If it's ugly, I will kill myself. Good. I'm so cool with my. If my cousin see this, he will cry so hard and he will smack my face. Ow! Not good. No! Change face. We're changing a new face. No, that looks smart of me giving me pixel vibes. Ooh, I love this one. But it's giving me silly vibes too. But every Brookhaven kid uses this face. We're gonna use this face. Not gonna lie, it fits so well. Yo, it fits so well, not gonna lie guys, it fits so well. Oh, I forgot I did. Oh my god. Oh my god, let me get post. Blue. Yeah! Hey guys, we're gonna get a perfect day. Today we're gonna steal money. R.I.P. to that girl who bought this house. Oh my god. Oh, so cool. Is this a place or something? This is work. Oh my god. Time to use this sleeping bag. Hey my god. It's time to use a sleeping bag. Is this called a sleeping bag?
Okay, naman shipping.
Because I don't.
Damo pala sa imong higdaan lang.
Oh my god. Here!
My real life chance one shot.
Oh, now I can. Bro, I'm gonna destroy myself.
This game big.
let's go. Oh my god. Oh, we're so almost, bro. Hey. Does he have a
Diin lang.
ano?
Who is he? What?
Oh man, this guy's broke. There's not even a single. This is a sport thing.
Lang.
Hmm? We hit the jackpot! Hey. Oh, that's the owner. For you.
Wow.
Oh, no, it's literally open and I need to use a glitch. That's so stupid. I escaped! RIP, oh my. This is so perfect. So perfect.
Are you clear? Fine.
Hurry up, mahal. Let's use this.
Blow up my house. Right.
That voice is so familiar.
Mahal?
Hmm?
Di nga mong bangsang babae? Oo, nag-avaldi sa ho.
Umugo. We umugay kamay sense.
That's, wait lang.
Accept.
Oh my God.
And hey guys, goodbye guys. That's all it. Oh, 7 minutes? That's crazy.
It's fine. I have a
Oh!